The film begins with Assassin Rose surrounded by numerous neatly arranged weapons, observing Henchmen training.
Yeah, good. Very good, very good.
A phone rings and Rose takes it out to see an image of a SWAT officer appear on the screen. The boss with a fierce expression picks up the phone and calls Rose. Their conversation is tense and serious.
I have mission for you. Go destroy him for me, okay?
What do you mean? Kill?
If you do that, you will have a lot of money. You understand? Yeah, choose me.
How much money? Okay.
Okay, good luck.
Okay.
After hanging up, Rose gathers all of the henchmen and assigns them an important task to kill the SWAT officer in the image.
Okay.
Alright, go. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, hey sir.
Sir.
What happened?
I'm here.
I
Yeah.
have business for you. We have some more money.
What's up? Yeah. What happened? Wow. Oh. Wow. Yeah. That is very simple. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Good. Go.
Let's go.
Rose orders the henchmen to arm themselves and prepare for battle.
Move.
Okay. Let's go.
Rose and the henchmen arrive at the SWAT base, splitting up to search every corner for the SWAT officer.
Here. This way. Hey,
Alright,
you.
be careful.
Yeah,
You.
of course.
Okay, let's go.
Rose moves inside the base, but finds no one. Even one of the henchmen comes up empty-handed. Two henchmen outside carefully search for the SWAT officer and report back to Rose saying they haven't found anyone.
Whoa. Oh, boss. Nobody.
Fight continue.
Oh, what is this? Okay, nothing. All right, let's go.
Go.
Hey, you. Go up.
Rose and the henchmen start moving upstairs.
Hey, move.
SWAT officer Jack appears. The target Rose has been seeking. As Jack comes downstairs, he spots the intruders. Enraged, Jack shoots and kills one henchman. Rose and her allies quickly return fire. Jack retreats upstairs, with Rose and the henchmen pursuing him, splitting up to search.
Go.
Jack silently subdues one of the henchmen and uses him as a hostage to threaten Rose.
Hey, let's go. Huh?
Jack then pushes the hostage away and quickly escapes. Rose and her allies refuse to give up and chase him firing as they go. Jack suddenly stops, shoots another henchman dead, and then escapes again. Rose and the others furiously pursue him. Jack hides behind a tree, emerges, and kills another henchman. Unfortunately, his gun runs out of ammo. He discards it and retreats.
Sir, get ready.
A henchman tells Rose to advance and search for the SWAT officer. Jack has already circled around behind them. When Rose arrives, she finds no one but a henchman, picks up the discarded SWAT weapon.
Sir, look.
Jack silently raises his gun and shoots the last henchman dead. Rose quickly flees. Jack tries to shoot Rose as she runs, but misses frustrated and decides to head back. Rose returns to the boss's hideout, rushing to where he is standing.
Hey, Mr. Fire.
The boss, already aware of everything, signals Rose to leave. Suddenly, a gunshot rings out, killing the assassin instantly. The boss proves himself to be truly